Welcome back, guys. Today we will add the texture to the stairs. We will finish up the model. I've made already a small presentation for the final product, how it's looking inside the room. I also have the photo with the stairs by single, as you see here. Now we can start to get this model as in photos. As you can see right now, it's without textures. Also, the rendering is not set. So for the start, let's move into shading. We will create a material. Let's name it wood 1. I guess I will go with 2 sets of colors for the wood, and a great place for textures, as I found, it's in this website, textures.com. They have good textures. All textures are seamless. Let's look into the wood. As you can see, they also have PBR materials, so the textures come into albedo, normal, and roughness. Sometimes they also have ambient occlusion, and if it's a metal, they have also the metallic map. Of course, they have a premium option, but also a free option for the textures. They cost 1 credit. Every day you have like 15 credits. I already took the materials for the today texturing. Now also a good add-on, it's Node Wrangler. It will help us to do a faster texturing. As you can see, for me, it's already enabled. And now let me also enable the shortcuts. Yes. And now what we can do with the principal BSDF selected, we can hit Ctrl Shift and T. We go to textures. We select all the textures that we need, and we are automatically set. I will change it. I will change the texture coordination to generated. I didn't made any UV for the mod. Sorry, for the model. As you can see, it's already textured with the roughness map and the normal map. That's a pretty subtle normal map. Okay, now I will put the material everywhere I need it. Okay, so for the bottom part of the stairs, for this front wall of the step, I will use the same texture, but I will make a copy of it. Let me name it wood 2, let's say. And now what I will do, I will add a color ramp. Let me see. something reddish. Yes, maybe more contrasty. Yep, I will give it also to these lines. Yes, so now maybe I will change the rotation for it, let's say 90, and let me scale it up, let's say 5 times. Okay, maybe 85. I will do the same also for this material. 85. Yep. And now for the handrail. At first I got some textures, but I didn't like that much the look of it. So I can give like a small tint of it, of metal to it. I will get this 100%. And for the roughness, let's leave it for the moment like this. Now also the metallic, it's to 1. Now we have just the color information. If we hit the render, it's all black. Maybe if I do like that, I have more light. But to a better look for the metal texture, what we can do, it's to add an HDRI. You can find them on Polyhaven. They have a big library of HDRIs with indoors and outdoors. All the HDRIs, most of the HDRIs are free of use, but you can see the licensing on the website. I already got some HDRIs. Now in the world, I just change the color to environment texture. I already took some HDRIs from there. Now to get more focused on our stairs, I will enable transparent for a transparent background, and now I see only the mesh. Now that's pretty good. Maybe I can add some more details to the metal part with texture, a wavy texture, the input into roughness. make it to so. Let's see, diagonal, no. We take it to mix. We give a bigger scale. Let's say for 40. And we add a color ramp. And now the black it's for maximum reflection, but we need a lot of roughness, so we can put it somewhere here. Just a subtle change to give some variation to the texture. Maybe a little more. Yes. Now I will apply the same material. Also, let me name it. So we have the metal. Now these are some pretty and simple textures. This is the model, and to make it appear like here, I can do a fast. I can do a fast cylinder. I just make it, let's say, 2000 centimeters with a radius of 2000. It doesn't really matter how many polygons it's having. I put it right on the surface, shade smooth. I will bevel the edges. And also, let's add a sun lamp. Now, the environment photo, it's from an interior. Now, if we hit render, it will render all black. That's not what we want. So we can go to the object tab. In ray visibility, we just disable everything but camera. Now if I hit render, I have the final product. that was the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it, you learned something new. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave me a like. Also, this model will be available for free on my CG Trader account. I will leave a link down in the description. Bye.